Hello learners, welcome to NXTGEN Intelligence Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to access the course material online using our learning platform. So when you enroll for a given course or a certification at our academy, all the recordings that are part of your classroom gets uploaded onto our LMS platform and you get an account to access those materials online using our platform. So let's get started. First, go to our website nextgenintelligenceacademy.com. Then click on the login button. Select the given batch that you are part of. For example, this batch is created for AI/ML certification course January 2025. Click on it and then click on this given button, and then you will be presented with a modal for the sign up. If you are a new user, then you can create your account using name, email address and a phone number, or you can sign up using the Google account. Let's say you are continuing with a Google account. Select your Google account and log in using your user ID and a password. Once you log in, you are already granted the access to our platform and you have your own account. Then once you click on it, you will get a account where you can see all your course material available online. As and when course gets progressed, all the recordings goes into this particular course, and this particular account is accessible via a browser, on a given laptop or a computer, or through a mobile app. Thank you so much.